afternoon, sir. Hi. How are you?
Good to see you.
Yeah. So we'll start with the interview, sir. I'll just start with the video that you had released recently of Dhoni versus Dhoni interview. So I wanted to know what was the idea behind it? Like, how did you come up with the concept?
You see, Dhoni has been with us for the last 10 years. We were into IPL cricket. See, Gulf as a brand globally is into motorsports. We are a very old brand, 1901 from the Gulf of Mexico. So, real old brand owned by, it was one of the first oil Seven Sisters. The first drive-through station in the world in 1913 was a Gulf station in Pittsburgh. So, this is the brand. You see the brand, the logo.
Yeah.
And the first offshore oil rig in the world was a Gulf oil rig. So it has a lot of history as an innovative brand. It's also been involved in the fuel and lubricant industry. Then Chevron bought the brand, and it was also involved in motorsports. In a big way. The Ford win recently. You saw the movie, which came the Ford and what was the movie called? Very famous stars, two of them. So the whole legacy of the brand is very old, right from racing in motorsports in the US at various levels, then finally in Le Mans, which is the 24 hours endurance race. So as a brand, the Hindujas bought it in the mid 80s, and when it came to India, we've been there in India also quite long. What we thought is that in motorsports you'll not really get that mass appeal or the mass brand awareness. So we went for cricket very consciously in 2007. With IPL, we entered a partnership with Kings 11 much before 2007-8, and then we got onto the partnership with Chennai Super Kings, and then we immediately signed on Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So just to let you know that motorsports being a niche sport, we went into cricket, which was the largest sport in India. So this is how we got into cricket, and it's important to explain the background to you so you'll understand. Also because we wanted to be a young brand, and IPL was a young sort of easy to go cricket follow, not the expertise on test cricket and long 5 days. So it was a quick entertaining thing. So we got in as a brand. We have done very well. To be very, one of the questions you asked, how well we are doing. We have seen that all our activities with Chennai Super Kings and now with Dhoni together have multiplied our brand in terms of our awareness as a leader. He's also coincidentally a very good biker, so it fits into categories also. So both at the category level and the brand level, at the corporate level, he has, I would say, a fit which goes from being a biker to a cricketer to being a leader. So his values go right across, and our 5 brand values used to be care, courage, inspiration, youth, and endurance. He has all 5. When you're using Dhoni, bring Dhoni as he is. Not like you use him as a biker, but go beyond that. So then you see the whole thing on consistent performance, consistent Insta pickup. It tallies with his consistency as a cricketer. And that is where they came up with this brilliant idea that the Dhoni of 2005 talks to the Dhoni at present, and they talk about what has been consistent in the success. Exactly. So that is the meeting of the creative with the proposition we wanted to talk about. And you see the 4-minute video is more a build-up. Yeah. And coincidentally talk about his best innings. It's a creative freedom, I would say, to talk about all that in that form. But it's very interesting to see the Dhoni with the long hair. Many people have told us he looks like Sushant. He reminds of Sushant because Sushant Singh also played Dhoni. So all this has come together with the creative that the agency came, and we actually then also spoke to Dhoni about the creative before shooting, got his inputs. Whatever he said, let's be very, he said, let's be very relaxed, let's go with the flow. So we had a nice conversation with him before the shoot, which normally we give him one day before. We had a slightly, advanced storyboard with him and all that. So all this has come together, I would say, to bring this campaign to what it is today. And we are getting a very good response. In fact, some of the digital social channels are probably calling it the best ad a cricketer has made. For a particular brand. But this is obviously, we are very happy to see that, the response has been very good in terms of the timing. And now, of course, the campaign goes into media, into social media, digital. During IPL, we'll be with the digital channels.
I guess after a long 10-year break, someone has created such an innovative ad for, at least in cricket. So what was his reaction when you pitched the idea to him? Like, what did he say?
It's a very challenging film, for him to talk to his younger self. And it requires a lot of, not only as you have seen him grow and evolve in various ads, he is been a leader for Indian cricket in all the forms, and how well respected he is in that. and as I said, he is part of the Gulf's growth journey. So it was definitely a very challenging film, and kudos to him that he observed it. Uh, ob- he, he absorbed everything. He observed what he could do, and he actually got it alive during the shoot, as you have seen the result.
Yeah.
And it was also shot during challenging times with the bubble and all that with his there. So we had a couple of sittings with him, and I think he added value in saying that, let us go with the flow. Let's some of the mannerisms that he has brought alive of the young Dhoni, the shaking, and then the older Dhoni being. I think that value add has been there, and I think that has been a tremendous sort of contribution from him, because it is not an easy commercial or a interview to shoot. The commercial part, of course, is more what he's been doing for us. So I think this was a unique challenge, and we are very happy to see that it was taken up by all the marketing teams, by him, and the result is there for you to see. Yeah.
So, sir, as you also mentioned that you have been associated with CSK for long now, and
Yes.
you immediately signed Dhoni as your ambassador when you signed CSK. So, how has CSK helped Gulf Oil grow in the past years?
Well, you see, we definitely CSK 10 years ago, and it's always been a team which has one of the best appeals in terms of their fan following. Starting with the team, which obviously the teams had centers of their states. Tamil Nadu, Mumbai Indians had Western. We have seen that the CSK following, both in India and even overseas, wherever the Indians are, has had a tremendous impact. So I would say that not only our brand in India, but even in the Middle East, this time Dubai, the brand was there. We could do promotions. So our growth journey with Chennai Super Kings season on season has been starting with our diesel engine oils. We spoke about him, Dhoni losing his pillow, and a truck driver going across in a truck with our oil across the centers to deliver the pillow to him, which he had lost, so he was losing his sleep. So very humorous take. This was one of our first commercials with Chennai Super Kings. Then of course Dhoni has been front-ending a lot of our commercials, our social media, our CSR. He's been our brand ambassador, motorcycle segment also. So this partnership with Chennai Super Kings has grown right from our product segments to overall brand. And of course, the following of the brand is stronger with the Chennai Super Kings follow. For example, if you look at our awareness and our trial, the people, the target audience who's using our product, because if they are Chennai Super King fans and Gulf users, it tends to be a higher percentage. So these are the things which we have monitored, and I think for us, Gulf as a brand, we have always we have been innovative, as I told you about the first drive-through station right from 1901. In all our promotions also, even with Kings 11 Punjab and Chennai Super Kings, we have always extended all the brands. That means including the Gulf brands, the Chennai Super King brands, the Dhoni, and all that we have extended in all our promotions, so that it really building of all the brands together. So I think this has been slightly unique, I would say. And some of the things we have done, I think in few years we found that we were one of the best ROIs on the position we had, and we monitored that through AC Nielsen and all the others. The payback has been very good for us in terms of our brand awareness, our brand trials.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time.